Different colors, same country. Nigeria is a country of many colors, many cultures and many cities. But today we are taking you on a journey into two of its most iconic urban giants, Enugu, the historical city resting peacefully among growing hills, and Abuja, the nation's modern and carefully planned federal capital. One is old but evolving. The other is young but powerful. One is carved by nature. The other is shaped by architecture. But both hold stories worth telling. So buckle up, because this is Enugu vs Abuja. What makes them unique? What makes them different? And surprisingly, what makes them similar? Enugu's name comes from two Igbo words, Enu and Ugu, meaning hilltop. Founded in 1909 after the discovery of coal, Enugu quickly became one of Nigeria's earliest modern cities and the seat of political power in eastern Nigeria. It is a city built on history, culture and resilience, a place where tradition blends smoothly with a calm, almost nostalgic lifestyle. Now let's jump to Abuja. Unlike Enugu, Abuja is not a historical creation. It was created by design. In 1976, Nigeria needed a new capital city. Neutral, central, secure and spacious, so Abuja was born. A master planned city engineered for elegance, order and national identity. While Enugu grew organically over decades, Abuja was created intentionally from an architectural dream. Enugu represents heritage, Abuja represents ambition. Enugu is one of Nigeria's most naturally blessed state capitals. Hills, forests, lakes, and a warm glow at sunset that gives the city its signature charm. It is compact, calm, friendly, and visually smoothing. The city's architecture, a blend of old colonial houses, growing estates, and modern structures popping up every day. Abuja, on the other hand, is Nigeria's definition of urban prestige. Wide highways, massive roundabouts, skyscrapers, monumental structures like the National Mosque, the National Christian Center, and the iconic Aso Rock standing guard over the city. Enugu feels like nature wrapped in a city. Abuja feels like a city wrapped in infrastructure. Both are beautiful, but in completely different ways. The Enugu lifestyle is relaxed and deeply cultural. People know each other, food is fresh and the traffic is milder. Life moves at a very comfortable pace. You can literally feel the warmth from the people to the color to the environment. It is a city where you can breathe. Abuja, on the other hand, is fast-paced, luxurious, influential. It is the base of politicians, diplomats, and business elites. Abuja is calm on the surface but very active underneath. Networking, deals, power moves, and premium living. From high-end restaurants to expensive estates, Abuja is a lifestyle with a capital L. Enugu is community. Abuja is opportunity. Enugu is affordable comfort. Abuja is elegant, expensive. Different flavors, the same Nigeria. Enugu thrives on commerce, education, entertainment, and small to medium-scale businesses. The city is also becoming a growing tech and creative hub in Nigeria. It is a place where young entrepreneurs are quietly building something big and special. Abuja's economy is powered by government institutions, embassies, NGOs, and major corporate headquarters. It has more high-value jobs, more foreign presence, and more business opportunities, but also a very high cost of living. Abuja offers a big opportunity, while Enugu offers the accessible opportunities. And depending on who you are, either one could be perfect. Enugu is deeply cultural and proudly Igbo. Music, food, tradition, and language are everywhere. The city carries a sense of identity that once you enter, you will feel it. Abuja, on the other hand, is a melting pot. Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, Idoma, Tiv, Gbagi, and foreigners are everywhere. It is a city where diversity is the daily lifestyle. For all their differences, Enugu and Abuja share surprising similarities. Both are known for peace and relative calm. Both are clean compared to many other Nigerian cities. Both attract tourists and hikers. Nature lovers in Enugu, architecture lovers in Abuja. Both are center of growth and modernization, and importantly, both cities have warm and welcoming people. Enugu and Abuja may look worlds apart, but deep down, they carry the same spirit. So at the end of the day, is Enugu better than Abuja? Or is Abuja better than Enugu? The real answer is simple. Both cities are masterpieces in their own way. Enugu is the city of memory, nature, and heritage. Abuja is the city of power, structure, and opportunity. Different chapter in one national story. Which one would you choose? If you enjoyed this deep dive into Nigerian cities, hit the like button, share the video, and drop a comment. Enugu or Abuja? Which city has your heart? Subscribe for more epic city comparison. See you in my next video.